Hey guys. It's your girl Lala and I'm back with another little video. But today we actually gonna be doing something different. So yeah, today we just gonna be doing a wig install. And I don't think I did no wig install on here, so yeah. But hopefully it don't take me that long, cause yeah, my stylist dropped it off to me like a couple hours ago and she already bleached the nuts on this motherfucker. Cause girl, I don't know how to do that. I mean, it's probably not that hard, but I ain't got the materials for it anyway, so I'm kind of glad that she did do it. But this is the wig. This is our second time. Well, this would have been me and my stylist second time with Hedy hair, but this wig is from Hedy hair. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and you can also check it out on my Amazon storefront. And girl, please go copy from my Amazon storefront. We need the coins. We need the cha-ching. We need the cha-chinging. I need the cha-chinging. But anyways, I really don't care. Just use my link. Even if you don't purchase the wig, use my link and just purchase something. But this is the wig, guys, and this is the wig I currently got on. Yeah, I did this last week and it held up pretty good. I mean, yeah, I had reinstalled it over the weekend. I ain't never tried doing this to my hair, but babe, this ain't going nowhere. Make sure y'all leave what y'all want to see in the comments, but because I'm open to anything at this point. But make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the motherfucking post notification bell, baby. Turn on the post notification bell. We gotta get this show on the road. But yeah. So I'm finna, I don't know what I'm finna do. I'm not even high, like. I'm debating on if I should smoke or if I should just be sober and do it, because I feel like I'll be more focused when I'm sober. And it seems like when I'm high, I'll be rushing and it don't never come out right. But this actually did kind of come out right. I mean, you can kind of see the lace now, but it's coming off anyway, so it really don't matter. But yeah. Please tell me why I can't get this bitch off my off my head. And on my hair. It's okay, because hopefully this 30-second bomb remover shit worked. That's what I had put on the wig and it came off, but the cap is what's stuck to my head. Anyways, we're about to see if I can get this shit off something. Oh. We got a little piece. Okay. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm gonna be a therapist. There's other men I don't want, and I just want to. Anyways, okay, so these are the birds I did what, last week? Okay, I think I did a little good job on these motherfuckers. Anyways, all I'm gonna do is take this wild growth, that is what it's called, wild growth hair oil, and I'm gonna put it in between my scalp. Yeah, in between these braids. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Got me a therapist to tell me there's something I don't want, none, I just want you. If I can't have you. Matter of fact, let me show this on the outside. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a basement. My patience. Gonna be thinking over me. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Got me a therapist to tell me there's other midnight. Man, I'm finna use either one of these and, you know, brush these back up. And with this wig cap on. Did I scratch my face? What the fuck? Damn. So this is what my braids look like. Putting on this wig cap. It looks so yellow. It looks so yellow. I don't be liking this shit over my eyes. Oh. I so mature. I so mature. No more locked doors, sissy. The fuck you got going on, Holmes? I can't see. Make sure you don't touch your eyes, man. Okay, there we go. We got one. Oop, at the people. I can see again, guys. Okay. So mature. I so mature. Okay, so I got this on. Cool. I'm gonna be using my Ebony spray. I like that Kill Bill, hell yeah. But what's it's I forgot the other one, but it's the one where she added that song from like I think 2020 or 2021, and she added it at the end. Oh, that shit was so lovely. And that's all I gotta say. That shit was so lovely. But girl, you be thinking, I don't need to do that. These motherfuckers did not be worth it. Now, I don't want y'all to say I did not pluck this motherfucker. It came pre-plucked, but I don't want y'all to say I didn't pluck it. This is how much I plucked. Yeah, I still got this shit on my face. But all I did so far was I put the wig on and I marked it. This was my stylist. Well, I went to my stylist, but I noticed she marks it off so she know exactly where to cut, you know, what I'm not gonna need. And yeah, all I did was use the wax stick. I plucked this hoe and I put the babes, if somebody wants to sponsor me and send me a new hot comb, please do, because my shit broke. It was supposed to be a plug-in one, so now I just be putting this bitch on the stove, which is a lot of work because I gotta go back and forth. It should be pissing me off. Okay, so all I did was I cut the excess cap that I'm not gonna need. Yeah, and then the rest of it's right there. And yeah, so we're about to just fuck. So I went and plucked again, but I'm not sure if that shit's, I don't know, but all I'm finna do is I'm finna go with this Ebony Wonderlace Bond glue. And yeah. Okay, motherfuckers. So all I'm finna do is I'm really finna just wait for that shit to air dry. I might as well smoke, cause at this point, yo, it ain't gonna kill me to hit it one time. Or maybe 2 or 3. But it ain't gonna kill me to hit it like 3 times, you know. I mean, all I really gotta do after this is what? Put that wig on, spray, brush, comb, hot. Okay, yeah. I'm so mature. Got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I don't want, and I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should. I make you my ex, not the best idea. I hide it here. I make you my ex. I so often would rather be in jail than home. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you are ready to apart. Resist to be a menace. The sense is happiness and try to rest. You was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, planning on my basement. Now you let your face down. Got me singing. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Let me a therapist to tell me there's nothing I don't want that. I just want you. If I can't have you, no one will. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. This look of this makes how I get here. I might kill my ex. I still look alone. Rather be in jail than home. I did it all for love. I did it all on no drugs. I did all of this so what? I did it all for us. I did it all for love. I did all of this on no drugs. I did all of this so what? Don't you know I did it all for us? I just killed my ex. Killed his girlfriend next. How I get here. I just killed my ex. I still love him though. 1, 2 puffs, 3 won't hurt, okay? If you don't know already that I'm a huge Sylvego fan, like, bitch, bring your little self to South Carolina. Bring yourself to Columbia, South Carolina. I will be right there. I will be right there. But not for real. Here's your favorite song off his new album. I'm sorry, but I'm stuck on Blitz. Like, Blitz, like... Why not playing? Okay, there you go. We are so big of fans, okay? Okay. Everything I got in the stars, it was a risk. I don't think I regret anything I did. I don't miss. What the fuck would I be if I wasn't this? So much in everything, I don't really know sense. And it's great, I don't wanna be the blitz. Yeah. We moving official. Ask me how I'm doing, I'll tell you my name shit. My name is a bitch, yeah, I already know what the business is. So why do the nigga be true? Then I really should've lived. Trying to be big dog, many niggas are children. It's the beginning, yeah, suck my dick. I'ma tell you how fake these little niggas be. It's I ain't holding me. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so all I just did just now was just alcohol, go around that shit. Yeah. Oh, babes. Now it's time to, oh shit. Damn, bitch. Shit. But okay. You got this. Okay. I'm going to that. I didn't realize that I didn't on this side. Makes my head low. Let's go. I'm just going back. Okay, so I got my moose. And I got my E-bin. So yeah. Oh shit, bitch. Oh, bitch. No. Why is you, bitch? You're doing me dirty. Real dirty right now. Fuck. This is my blow dryer from Revlon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is the hot comb, but I'm not doing that on camera because like I said, I gotta go all the way to the motherfucking kitchen and bag and yada yada yada. So yeah, I'll be back. So all I did so far was flat iron and the wax stick, and I parted it, and yeah, and I put this elastic band on it. You can find it on my Amazon storefronts. And yeah, my hot comb was a little too hot, but it's okay because I got it laid flat. Okay, so I put that elastic band back on, and now I'm about to try to flat iron it, but I want to try the wand curls. I thought about just leaving the hair how it was because I thought it was cute. Honestly, I really thought it was cute, but I'm gonna see if the wand curls. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. We gonna see what they do. We gonna see what they do. What they do? Ski with it by boom. What do see? And it's just like I feel like I always do straight, so. The fuck? We about to see if it works. I'm about to see if I can wand curl it and see if it works. Y'all, I ain't never did this before. I have not did this before a day in my life. And it just seemed like it's... Come on, bitch. Girl, what the fuck? I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I mean, it's giving a little... Hold on, because it might be giving a little body all day. No, but then again, I think I might just do it later. I'm not gonna do that right now. Or I might just do it period. No, I ain't gonna do it periodically either. I might could do it period. No, I ain't gonna do that. See, I'm so indecisive. So indecisive. But this is why you guys love me. Okay, so I'll be back after I finish flat ironing it. Yeah, so this is the final results. I don't know. I added these two little braids. I didn't do it on TikTok in my TikTok video, but I added these two little braids. I think it makes it look cute. It's taken away from them. I hope it's taken away from the freaking baby hairs. Don't get me wrong, I feel like I did good on them, but it's just like something's just not it's not giving. See, this is, you should have just installed this right curry. No, okay. No, because I probably did need to do it because I did need practice. Don't get me wrong, I sat there and I looked at my hairstylist TikTok the whole time. I had to, because the hell. Yeah. I want her to start by doing my hair. Duh. But it's cute though, don't get me wrong. But yeah, it's real cute though. But the link is gonna be in the description box, so make sure y'all check it out on my Amazon storefront. Okay. But yeah, so this is the look. This is the this is the look. I feel like I need this something's giving me the humpity dumpity, and I ain't feeling that humpity dumpity. This is secure under there. I ain't feeling this humpity dumpity. But yeah, this is the final look. Ooh, my bad, guys. I didn't want to get up, but yeah. So this look, hey, I think it do kind of look kind of cute. It's something different with the tulip braids. I think it's something different. There's gonna be something a little different. But yeah, make sure y'all check out the link in my bio, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the motherfucking post notification bells. I don't know when I'm gonna upload another video, but hopefully if y'all help me out in the comments, I will upload as soon as possible, because I really need to get on this shit. I need to get up. I need to get back on this shit. I need to get back on my shit. Period. Point motherfucking blank. But yeah, I'm about to go smoke. And maybe if I got the energy, I might have on TikTok. But hey, who knows? But oh yeah, it's Christmas Eve. So I hope y'all have a happy motherfucking holidays and a happy new year. Stay safe out here, motherfuckers. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. You know, don't do nothing I wouldn't. I'm sorry, Deucey, I woke you up. But yeah, that's my cue to get out here. But I love you guys and happy holidays. Oh. Deucey looking at me like I'm fucking crazy. But yeah, happy holidays, guys. I love you. Thanks for all the love and support.